welcome back to my channel, and I have some easy freebies for you guys to do at Target. I really was gonna skip Target this week, and then I'm like, no, I gotta do these deals because I really want to get Ibotta. I really want to finish level 3. So they have some deals right now with the Sir Kensington. The same deals are at Walmart, but it's 2 different deals. So you guys can do these at both stores and still get your money. My Walmart only had 1 item out of 4. Target has 5 different items, but my store only had 3 of the 5. So I just wanted to share with you guys. But right here they have the Sir Kensington Organic Mayonnaise. Now the organic mayonnaise was, I can't remember. I took a picture of all 3 of them so you guys can see. Actually, let me look at my picture to show you guys what was what. And then I would also check your Target website so that you guys can see. So the organic mayonnaise was $6.49. You guys would pay $6.49. You guys can submit a $6.49 money or rebate on Ibotta, making this absolutely free. So I had to do that deal. Now they have the classic mayonnaise. This was $6.99. You guys would pay $6.99 and get $6.99 back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. Now they have the classic mayonnaise or the special sauce, which is the one right here. They were both $4.99. This one just says it's this classic mayonnaise with sunflower oil. The special sauce, I'm not sure really what it was, and I'm like, I'll just get regular mayo. But this was $4.99, same thing with the other one. So you guys would pay $4.99 and get $4.99 back. So I went to the registers with just 3 things of mayo. I know. That's how awesome my shopping trip was. Let's just buy mayo. So I got some mayo. My total came to $18.47. And I got $18.47 back with Ibotta. So that was great. That's 20 bucks. Like I could just cash out and put it right back in my account. So definitely do that deal. They also have ketchup and mustard, but my store does not carry that. So you guys can check online and see what stores do. But I just wanted to share you guys with these easy freebies that you guys definitely want to do. They are super hot items right now, so definitely do that. If you guys enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys all again next week for another Target haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.